Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally got the new project in. Sorry for the delay. I've been in the middle of moving house, so new project through the door, new garage, new everything. So yeah, all set. So let me show you around. So here's a new project, guys. We have ourselves a 2009 Yamaha R1. So this is again a category N. This time not through an accident, but actually through attempted theft and vandalism. So I'll let me show you around. Overall, obviously from this side, yeah, all looks lovely. But when you get round to the other side, and on the top here, someone's had a good old go with what looks to be an angle grinder. So cut through there, damaged the tank. Actually cut through on the tank as well. There was some duct tape on this before, but I've taped over some clear so you can see it, but it doesn't smell. So yeah, that was all damaged. They've damaged the lock a little bit, but it's just the plastics. Really weird because the steering lock still works and everything. So bit of an odd one. Damage here on the front as well. It's going to need a new screen. I'm going to try and repair this. So I'm going to have a go at repairing the fairing, and small scuff here, and then some damage here, and also on the air duct. And obviously this has all pretty much had it. So got some new parts in. Got another tank, got another airbox cover or front part of the tank. So yeah, hopefully shouldn't be that much of an issue to redo this one. But yeah, looking fairly decent from a distance already. But yeah, the damage is obviously quite clear. Not sure why anyone would do that. Maybe they had an argument with someone. I don't know what's gone on, but the bike runs, so I have fired it up. Seems pretty decent, runs pretty smooth. No issues there. Otherwise, the bike looks really clean. You know, there's no marks, any kind of damage on it. Even when you look at all the bolts and everything else, looks like it's been a dry weather bike, which is fantastic, and some nice Aquapovic exhaust on there as well. So yeah, the goal for today is basically get the broken bits off, get the screen off, and then see what we can and can't repair. I might have a play around with this bit off camera just to try repairing the plastics really, and see how difficult it is. Not use that as a bit of a test piece before I use a new bit. So I've got myself a little table set up. So yeah, here we are, new tank and new cover. Well, not new, but new to me, should I say, and a screen as well. Obviously this screen is not ideal in my opinion, and not much you can see through that. So yeah, got a clearer screen. This is just for someone who doesn't really use it, I suppose. Not sure why you'd have that, but I'm sure someone will put me right on that. So yeah, here it is, new project, new garage, new fun. So let's get on with it. Right, I managed to get the fuel tank off. That was pretty straightforward, without getting too sprayed full of fuel. So next thing is I'm just going to take the top of the airbox off just to check the state of the air filter, more for when I come to service it, going from there really. So yeah, let's have a quick look. I got the stuff out the fuel tank. Well, kind of, as you can see. Basically, cut a long story short, there's a tiny little this tab you have to push down to slide this piece off. Otherwise, it just doesn't go past the actual hole in the tank, and then you have to just disconnect this from here. So fairly straightforward. Just a normal connector, but yeah, could be a little bit tricky, as I found. So yeah, there you go. Alright, time to put the new one together. That's it for this episode. I'm going to call it a day here. I've got a lot of filler work to do and everything else, which I'll do in the next episode. So we'll say cheers for watching. Hope it's been entertaining. A few fiddly bits, especially with trying to get that fuel pump back in the petrol tank. But yeah, hopefully a little bit simpler on the next one. All right, see you later.